And momentum's a motherfucker. And then I freaking just fucking hammered it. And I was like, oh, I got him. And I'm like, that was fucking close. That was real close. I'm going, motherfucker.
The lights were like, I was like, oh, fuck me, that's crazy. How does it feel to be the plane? I'm arguing up ahead. They're saying they're going to go off what the deal is. They don't have cameras in. You know what I mean?
You like that shit?
Hell yeah.
He's gonna say something because he thought he caught me at the very end. And he damn near did.
Yeah, it was close.
I hit the damn rev limiter going from first to second.
Oh, we heard it.
Lost a little momentum. That wasn't even the big one though. The big one was right before that.
I know.
Yeah, dude.
I
I know I didn't beat you, so tell me what happened.
Hit the rev limiter.
Did you?
Well,
It's
I was
fucking exciting.
I let you get the jump.
And that's where it fucked right.
Well, and then I'm like, and then I hit third. I'm like, oh fuck it. And then I'm like, fuck. And I'm like, yeah. And then fucking not enough
Dude,
track.
it had to be, you and Chris both had to be fucking photo finishes, because I was like, I don't know. And I asked the guy at the deal, I was like, did I win or lose? And he just smiled at him, and I was like, are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah, no, it.